Okay, let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن استنى بسنته إلى يوم الدين. Everybody say with me, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, so today's class we're going to do a review that what we have learned, because a lot of you, as we mentioned last class, they are very weak in the pronouns, okay, and also the mudaf, mudaf ilay, and the new fragment that we learned, okay. So we're not going to learn something very new today. We started a new thing for you guys. You probably missed it, Abdullah and Amara, okay. But still, we're going to have a quick review because this is very important. So far, what we have learned, you will see today that we can make a lot of translation backwards. Meaning from English you can be able to make something Arabic, okay? So from English you can do Arabic. So today's class we're gonna try to memorize our things. Okay, memorize the things that we need to memorize, okay? Because otherwise, if we don't do it, there's no point going forward, okay? So let's very quickly look at the words, okay? We know about the three kinds of words. Nobody should have any confusion about that, okay? Ism, fail, and harf. Then we know their status, number, gender, and type. And all these things will come into handy, okay? Now that we are talking about, fragments, we know what it, sometimes some things are jar, some things are plural, something is gender. Everything will come in handy, okay? So try to remember those things, okay? Look at these words, that what we have learned so far, okay? Next thing we talked about the fragments. So we learned about two types of fragments, okay? First fragment was idafa, and the second fragment that we started last week is jar majroor, okay? It's called jar majroor, or you can call harf of jar. Both of them has some similarities, okay? Write it down. Fragment 1 and fragment 2 has some similarities. What are the similarities? The first similarity is that in both cases, the last word, the second word becomes a jar. Am I right or wrong? Right? Because when mudaf ilay happens, the mudaf is the first word and the mudaf ilay is the second word. What are the two conditions for mudaf, Maria?
It can't have al and it has to be lam.
Very good. It can't have alif lam, it must be right. And what is the second condition that does for the mudaf ilay? What is only one condition for the mudaf ilay? The first word cannot have alif lam, it has to be light, and the second word is it must be jar. Just like the half of jar also, the half of jar you don't know yet, okay? You have to go to the app and get it, okay? But today we're gonna go through them. We started something new, okay? You did mudaf ilay, right?
Yeah, but which lesson was the last one? Because I'm on the app, there was only lesson 10.
Yeah, there's lesson 11 now if you look at the okay. So now mudaf ilay also has the second word as jar, and also jar majroor make the second one equal to jar. Only thing that we need to know that there are some special mudaf. The 16 words we have to learn. Okay, that words doesn't have the meaning of the of. Okay, like tahta, fauka, qabla, bada. Okay, duna. Okay, all these words have special meaning, and also these are vocabularies. Also, there is a special mudaf. As soon as you see these things, you know this is the mudaf, and the next word will be a jar mudaf. Then we learned about the fragment jar majroor. So these are the two things you just answered, that it has to be light and no alif lam, and this has to be the jar. The second mudaf is always jar. Fragment 2, the harf of jar. And we say what is harf? We already know what is harf. Harf is a word that doesn't make any sense by itself unless there's a word after this one, okay? And harf has no properties like ism. Like ism has 4 properties, harf has no properties. So you don't have to worry about the properties, okay? Only thing you have to know, these harfs, these 11 harfs, will make the word next to it a jar. Now, you can ask the question, okay, if it is make the next word jar, does it have the word of in between? No. It just makes the word jar. Doesn't have the, like, Bismillah, in the name of Allah, right? Bismillah means in the name of Allah. There's no of, right? In the name of Allah we can say, but it's Bismillah, okay? B actually means with. Abdullah, no talking, please. B actually means with, right? So when we say, like, if we say like this, we're talking about the first one, right? If I say like this, okay? This is a ba and this is a ha, bihi. Can anybody say what is bihi means?
No.
Look at the word bihi. Girls. B means with. What is he means? Yes. With him. Excellent. See? Be him is with him. Why? Because we know the pronoun char from the hua is he and hua becomes who and he. So you can say, okay, this could be his because we know it, or him. So which one should I choose? Obviously with him, okay? Why not his? Because his is like a mudaf ilayh, like his book, his pen, his house, okay? But this is not mudaf ilayh, this is jar, harf of jar majrur, okay? That's the difference you have to understand, okay? Also, sometimes you will see there is a, all these things comes before the word, okay? And there's a word next to it, that is a jar, okay? Sometimes the word itself has something. Like for example, if I write like this. Okay, this is Kaaba. This is the Kaaba, right? But this car is not that car. It's a part of the word. Okay, it's not like a separate thing. But sometimes car will come separately. Sometimes it is the part of the word. How are you going to know that? The more you learn about Quran, the more you read Quran, and you know the meanings, you will learn about that. Okay. So today, first thing we're going to do. There are 11 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We all of us we need to memorize their meaning. Okay. As soon as you look at them, you should know the meanings. Okay. Let's start with the like a one letter one. So B. Everybody knows with. Okay. Like one of the example is Bismillah. It's a very simple example. Also, there's another example. In the Quran, you can say, you know. تنزل الملائكة والروح فيه بإذن ربهم بإذن with the permission of Allah. The angels come down on that night with the permission of Allah. Like also this word is so common in the Quran, bihi, with him. Or sometimes it means with it. Why with it? Because it. In Arabic there's no word for it, okay? Like it's a pen. Remember our number thing we learned, gender thing, pen. One pen is a gender, it's a male. It's a male thing, so we can say with the pen, with it, take it with you. Okay? So this is it. So it could be it also. Sometimes feminine also could be it, right? Like for example, like broken plural. Yes, broken plural is a good example. Also there are words that are feminine, like we have so many words we learned about the feminine words, right? Like ardun, rihun, okay, nar, jahannam, all these words are feminine. So you can also use the it for there also. So the first thing we know B. So B means with, and the next one it comes is a jar. So if I write like this, B kita, B kita, B, and the kitab becomes a jar, kitabi, because this B makes the word a jar. So what will be the meaning of it? Who can tell me? Tahmid, you try this. Kitab means book.
Yes.
B, kitabi. With the book. That's fine. With the book. Okay. With the book. Okay. Actually, the with is with a book. You can say with a book. If you say bil kitabi, then it's like with the book. But that's fine. You're right. So this is how we do this way. The ta next one. The ta is a very easy one. Ta means I swear by, and the ta is only used with the word Allah. So you don't have to remember anything about that. It's only thing tallahi. Tallahi means I swear by Allah. You cannot use any other word with the ta. So ta only comes with the word Allah. Okay? Next one is ka. Ka means like. Ka means like. Like, okay? Like a boy, okay? Or you can say like this masjid. So there are many masjid like this masjid. Or we can say my car is just like your car. Okay, that kind of like is car. A lot of times you will find car in the Quran, and whenever you find it, the next word, all this word makes the next ism a jar. All this word makes the next ism a jar. Okay? If it is not a jar, then it's something else. Okay? And I will show you some example also. Now the word la.
Four.
La means 4. But how many lam we have in the Arabic language?
3 or 2.
We have 7 types of lam in the Arabic language, okay? But those are for advanced level, not now. only thing you have to remember, the la means for. Okay, la means for. Okay, now when la is attached with a pronoun, if I say for me, okay, if I say for me, then it's la. Or so what will be the for me in Arabic? Who can say that?
Li. Li.
Yeah, li. Very good. Li. Because la plus e. Okay, and we remember in the pronoun chart we say that ana could be a e or a ni. When it is e, it's jar. When it is ni, it's nasab. Okay, it's a li. So li means for me. So if I say like this, not like this. Let's take another example. This is alif, okay? This is mim, this is noon, okay? Lil imani, so this is sukun. Lil imani. Iman means faith, right? So, lil imani means?
Lil.
Yes, Tahmid, you say?
For face.
For the faith, or for faith, for your iman, okay? So, anytime you say li, sometimes li comes with attached pronoun. That time, most of the time, it's like la. Li becomes like lahuma fis samawati wal ward, okay? Okay? Sometimes laka. Laka means for you, okay? A lot of times you will see the word laka. Laka means like this. Now look at this example. La and ka. La and ka. Now you can say, okay, is this ka that ka? No. Why no? Alisha, can you tell me why this ka is not that ka?
Because it has to be like separate. It has to be.
No, this ka has to be that ka if it comes before.
Yeah.
Okay? What is this ka then? What is the meaning of this ka? Yes. You, yes. And not only you say, it means your, like, you know, or for you, you can say, I mean, like the nasab or jar version. Is it nasab or jar here?
It has to be jar.
It has to be jar because that lam, the lam before makes it a jar. Okay? The lam before makes it a jar. So laka means for you. For you. And this is it. Although you can say, oh, I learned jar means always has to be kasra. Why it's not lucky? No, because pronouns are separate. We're going to do the pronoun charts again today, okay? After this one, we'll go back to the pronoun chart because that is the most important thing, okay? We have to do the pronoun chart. So, laka means for you, okay? How about this one? Lahum. Okay, let's see. Zara, you want to try this? Lahum. What does lahum mean? Obviously, you know the la means for. So for them. Very good. For them. Is this them include male and female?
Yes.
Yes, it includes. Okay, I want to say for them, like only girls. What should I write?
For them, feminine.
Yes. Okay, tell me what should I write? Yes.
Lahunna.
Lahunna. Excellent, Naushin.
Yes,
Lahunna. Very good. Okay. I want to say for us. What should I write? I write the la. Yes, Yusuf. Lana. Very good. La and then noon with an alif. Lana. For us. Okay. If I want to say Umaya, you answer this one. I want to say for her. What should I say? La? No. Only her. One singular. One lady I'm talking about. One sister I'm talking about. What should I write? You want to try anybody from here? You guys already know. Yes, Alishan? Laha. Very good. Laha. Because here becomes ha. So it will be laha. Okay, actually, sorry. This is ha with the alif. Okay, laha. So like this, okay? Now you will see, after we learn all of this, and also we have learned mudaf mudaf ilayh. You will see so many things. I will say the English and you can yourself translate it, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, so this is few examples for la. So we have done ba, we have done ta, we have done la, and we have done, now we have to do wa. Wa is, there's two types of wa in Quran, okay? There are many types, but there's two main ones, okay? One means and, like this, and. Okay? And it just join two things together. Like English, okay? Me and my brother went to the masjid, okay? Something like this. But another wa in the Quran is by I swear by. Like you learn all the smaller surah, right? Washamsi wa duhaha, watini wa zaytun, wal asr. So every time you see this one, you will see it makes. And if you look at the Quran now, you will see we say wal asr when you say the surah, right? Watin, but actually if you look at this wal asri, because the reading rule we don't say the last haraka, right? That's a reading rule. But actually it's wal asri, washamsi, waduhahi, wal qamari. Okay, all these things are wa, and those wa makes it a jar. So wa is very easy. The meaning is I swear. The meaning is I swear. But if you see something, let's look at something. Give me 1 second. Like in the Surah Al-Asr, we say wal asri. So the first wa is this wa, which is the harf of jar. Then we say wal asri innal insana lafi khusrin illa alladhina amanu. Then what is it? Wa amilu salihat. That wa is and. Illa alladhina amanu. Those who believe, and wa amilu salihat, do good. So there's two wa. Then also we say wa tawawsaw bil haqqi wa tawawsaw bis sabr. So those wa are not this wa. Those wa means and, normal and. But the first wa, the wal asri, that's one, makes the next word jar. So this is easy actually, because there's only few surah, I think probably 10-15 surahs are like this that has that Allah's oath on that. And for your information, the surah, in the surah, the most number of oath Allah takes. Can anybody tell me which surah Allah takes most number of oath? Which surah Allah say the wa the most number of times? Who knows that? Yes, Shams, Surah Shams. Washamsi wa duhaha, wal qamari iza taraha, wal nahari iza jallaha. Okay, so this surah Allah take the oath the most number of times. Okay, other places 2 times, some places 1 time. Okay, so that is the wa. So this single letter ones, we should have no confusion about this one, right? So if I ask you now, can you tell me the meaning? Okay, what is the meaning of ba or bi? With. What is the next one? Ta. And what is it? This one? What is ta? I swear by. And what is the specialty of ta? Only Allah we can use it. Okay, next one for tahmid la. Ka. What is ka means? Life. Ka means life. Okay, ka means life. Okay, Noshin, you tell me the la. What is the meaning of la? 4. La means 4. What is the meaning of la? 4. But la is sometimes, sit down. La is sometimes la or sometimes is li. Right? I just will la, like lillahi. Alhamdu lillahi, for Allah. All praise for Allah. Remember like this, okay? So sometimes it becomes li. Sometimes we say lahuma fis samawati wal ard. Okay? So when it is attached with a pronoun, it is la. When it is attached with a normal word, then it's li. Okay? Like we say lil kafirina. Okay? Lil kafirina means for the disbeliever. Okay? Lil mu'minina, for the, so that time is li. But other time is lahu or laha, or like we did lana or laka, all these things. With the pronouns it's la, with non-pronouns is li. And what is the meaning of wa? I swear by. Okay? Everybody clear on this? So these are the easiest ones. Okay? Any question on this one? Maria, you all clear? Zara, all good? Okay. Okay, so all clear on this one. Next few ones are also very easy, but they are like be more common in the Quran. I mean, you will find them more in the Quran than the other ones. Okay. First one is min. Min means from. Okay. Min means from. Okay. And min. Remember, why are we separating this? These are all half of jar. Remember, the next word after this must be a jar. So if I say from Allah, what should I say? Min Allah, Who or minallaha or minallahi? Minallahi, right? Minallahi, from Allah. Okay. If I want to say from us, what should I say? From us. From us.
From is not.
That's a difficult one. Yes, Sami. Minni means from me. Minna means from us. Minna, okay, because na is the nahnu version of that. Okay, so minna. Okay. If I say from the house, from the house. Yes. Minal baiti, excellent, very nice. Minal baiti, from the house. Okay, minal baiti. We cannot say minal baitu, right? We cannot say minal baita. We have to say minal baiti. Okay. Now, sometimes when you read the Quran, min becomes minallah, like minallahi, mina. So there's a fatha comes on the min. Fatha comes on the min. This is just to read it properly. Okay, but it still is min. Okay. Also, there's other reading rules. Those things you learn when you learn reading Quran, right? Like sometimes if there's another mim after there's mim, it's not the noon got in the exam. Okay. So don't worry about the reading rules now. But min means from. Okay. What is the meaning of fi? Who remembers? In. Fi means in. Okay. Fi means in. Most of the time it means in. Sometimes you will find in the Quran this meaning are not exactly the same. Okay. Fi, most of the time it means in. Sometimes it also means among. Among. If I say like this, if I say fi this is a kaf, okay, sorry. Okay, what did I write? Tahmid? Among? No, that's not right. Not the right one. Amaya, look here. Fikum. What does it mean? One you, two you, or a lot of you? A lot, yes. Fikum means among all of you. Fikum is among all. And in the Quran, Allah said, I have sent a messenger, fikum, among all of you. Why all of you, Amara? Why not you? Shiza?
Please.
Why not you only? Why all of you? Yes?
Because he sent the prophet for all of us.
No, I know, but why this word means among all of you, not all of you? Who can say that?
I think it's
Yusuf?
attached.
Yeah, because it's from Antum. Remember, Antum means all of you, right? Yes, you said that too. Good. If I want to say, in the night. Okay, translate this one. In the night. Raise your hand who can translate this. Yes, not in. Fil. What's the last haraka on light? Fil layli. Fil layli. In the night. Okay. If I want to say in the day. Fil nahari. Good. Okay. If I'll fil yawmi. That's fine. Good. That nahari is also fine. Okay. So see, this is how now you should be able to translate things. Okay. The more you know this meaning and you want to apply them, and your vocabulary, you can easily do a lot of things. Okay. And then I will show you three things together. Okay, three things, like there's a mudaf ilayh and also this one. Okay, we'll go there inshallah ta'ala. Okay, next one very quickly. So we know mean, we know fi. Everybody clear on mean and fi? Mean is mean from, fi means in. Umayma clear? Mean means from, fi means in. If I want to say, let's see who can do this one. If I want to say an English sentence, from the house of Allah.
Ooh.
So you can say my dad just came from Hajj. He came from the house of Allah. No, I don't want nothing. I don't want anybody else. Girls. Yes, Amaya, you try. Minal by 2
Wait, what? Isn't it supposed to not have O?
minal baitillah. Right. Now how many things here? If I want to break it things, there are two fragments is here. First fragment is harf of jar. This is a min. Okay? That's how harf of jar. That's why it's been minal baiti. Sorry, it's not baita, it's baiti. Sorry. Minal baiti. And baitillahi is our mudaf ilayhi. Idafa. Very good. So see how both these fragments that we have learned, we already come together. Because this is from our fragment number 2 that we are learning now. And the house of Allah we already learned in mudaf ilayhi. Now see that? So how both fragments are. And then we have another 3 fragments to learn. And when you learn this one, inshallah you will learn a lot of things in the Quran, inshallah. Okay? So from the house of Allah, minal baitillah. Okay? Very good. If I want to say the same thing, little bit change. If I say, let's see who can do this. In my house. I have a cat in my house. Lie, I don't have it, but I'm just saying here. So in my house. No. How about the first one? Munim, you want to try this? Maria? Very simple. In my house. What is the word for in? Fi. Good. Yes, after you try. Good. Fi. Baiti. Okay, so fi and baiti like this. Okay? Why? Fi means in. Okay? And baiti is my house. This ya is e, right? Baiti is my house. That's mudaf ilayhi. Everybody understand? So this part is our fragment harf of jar. This part is mudaf ilayhi. Is clear that? Is it clear? Lara and Maria, all good? Okay. Good. We have 5 minutes before we pray, okay? So when the prayer happens, that's why I leave some space. So sisters, all the girls, you can pray at the back, okay? Or there's enough space. I think you should be able to pray. And then after the prayer, we come back here and we'll do our rest of the class. Okay. So we know min, we know fi, okay? Let's do one more example. Let's see how can I, easy one, I give you easy one. Okay, I'll tell you the Arabic, you tell me the meaning, okay? Butun means okay? When a mother gets pregnant, it's called butun, okay? Or stomach. So if I say fi butuni ummahatikum, listen to me carefully. Fi butuni, umma means mother, ummahatikum. Ummahatikum, okay? What will be the translation? Fi butuni ummahatikum. Yes, Yusuf, loudly. Very nice. In the womb of your mother. Is the of your mother is only one person or all of you? Yes, so you should say in the womb of all of your mother. In fi butuni ummahatikum. Allah says, when you are in the tummy of your mother, I wrote down your destiny. Okay? So this is what we find it, okay? So fi butuni ummahatikum. Is it clear? How many things are there? Look. Fi is our harf of jar. Okay? Butuni, that makes the butun a jar. Okay? So fi butuni is harf of jar. Butuni what? Who's butun? Ummahatikum. And ummahatikum is mother of yours. Another mudaf ilayhi. So 2 mudaf ilayhi there, okay? In the belly of your mother, of your mother, okay? So that's another one. Now, an and ala, both of them start with ain. So an means about. What does an means? About. About. Okay? And ala means upon. Remember, there is 2 harf with ain. An and ala. An and ala. What does an means? Look at there. About. And ala means upon or on. Okay, like we say alayhim. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna pause now for our prayer. Okay. Then we'll break. We'll come back in 10 minutes, inshallah ta'ala. Boys, keep everything here as it is, okay? Don't take your folder or anything, just go quickly to the prayer hall, okay? And girls, you can go back.